This robot might be the future of travel. It's a part of very special, groundbreaking technology because this isn't an electric bus or an electric truck. It's both. This is the U-Shift, and it's made of two parts, the drive bot and the capsules. So how can this be both an electric truck and bus? The drive bot works as the driver, but it doesn't need someone behind the wheel because it has sensors which help it drive itself. It also has a lift system, which allows it to carry the capsules. As for the capsules, every single one is different and has a different purpose. One makes delivering goods a breeze. The boxes go through a ramp that opens out, making it really easy to put the boxes in. Then, the driver bot lifts the entire capsule up on its own. The other capsule works as a bus, with plenty of space for passengers, so you will never get on a crowded bus again. What makes this so great are the people behind it, and who better to explain it than the engineer and the project manager of the U-Shift itself.
Hi, my name is Marco Münster. I'm engineer at DLR, German Airspace Center, at the Institute of Vehicle Concept. And also, I'm a project manager of the project U-Shift. U-Shift is a modular on-the-road vehicle concept. We have in-wheel motors, we have a battery pack in the front of the vehicle, and we have an integrated lifting system where we could raise the vehicle up for the switch of the different capsules.
Well, while this is groundbreaking technology, it's still just a prototype, and it is still controlled by a remote control.
The first prototype you see here is our U-Shift 1. We work on the U-Shift 1 for about 1.5 years.
The team at U-Shift are hoping to create a fully autonomous version by 2024, which will be able to reach 60 kilometers per hour. Technology like this is improving all the time, so we don't think it will be long until we see vehicles like U-Shift across the world.